Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Brandi Carlile, the Grammy-winning singer-songwriter who's become one of the most powerful voices in Americana and folk rock. Fans often ask, is Brandi Carlile gay or lesbian? Let's break it all down. Brandi Carlile is an American singer-songwriter and producer, born in Ravensdale, Washington. She's built a celebrated career with albums like By the Way, I Forgive You, and In These Silent Days. Known for her powerhouse vocals and heartfelt songwriting, she's earned multiple Grammy Awards and collaborated with artists like Elton John, Tanya Tucker, and Joni Mitchell. Part of the curiosity comes from the deeply personal nature of her lyrics, which often touch on love, relationships, and identity. Brandi has also been very open in interviews and in her memoir Broken Horses about her journey with faith, identity, and love, which has naturally sparked interest from fans who want to know more about her personal life. Is Brandi Carlile gay or lesbian? Yes, Brandi Carlile is openly lesbian. She came out publicly in her early 20s, at a time when being openly gay in country and folk spaces wasn't common. She has spoken about how her church rejected her after she came out, but instead of silencing her, it made her more determined to live authentically. Since 2012, she's been married to Catherine Shepherd, and together they're raising 2 daughters. Brandi Carlile has never shied away from being herself both in her music and her life. She's a proud lesbian, a mother, and an artist who continues to break barriers. Her openness has inspired countless fans, showing that you can live authentically and still thrive at the highest levels of music.